Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 14 Plus, and now I can show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Okay, firstly, you need to remember one rule. Now use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port, lightning charging port, or water resistant. So I suggest to use an old toothbrush. Toothbrush is the best tool to clean your connector, but please use toothbrush which you no longer use. Okay, as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. Okay, firstly take the cover off if you have, and insert one part of the brush into the connector. Then just pry the dirt out. Cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.